Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time, to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service, and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, so for the DXY. So for the dollar index, I think we are really looking at one event in the coming week, which is the FOMC meeting on the 16th of March, which is around midweek next week. And I think the market has already priced in much of the interest rates hike, and unless the Fed comes off a stunt and announces a rate hike of 50 basis points, it is not likely that we're going to see much upside. So I think for me, what's going to happen next week is there's going to be some fear in the market, leading to the FOMC meeting. So if you can go to the daily chart, I think what's going to happen here is so today is 12, right? We start the week on Monday, which is 14, 15, 16. Right, so we're going to see 3 green candles. Let me just change up this color. Okay, so I think we're going to see 3 green candles to test the top, maybe even edge out a little bit. But I think I'll have to really wait for that now, because the market is already priced in, and this will be more of like a sell the news kind of event. So this is what I think. So it really slide down and then, right? And once Fed announces down. Yeah, this is what I think. For the downside, yeah, I don't see any other way. I see only this way. Yeah, I could be wrong. You will see. Okay, so if you want to take a long on the DXY, this level is not too bad. Put the stop here. Alright. Look at target here. It's about 1 to 2, which is great. Okay, so if you like to take this trade, I think if you get yourself an entry early once market open next week, I think you could do this trade.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.